Celebrating this anniversary with all of us together.
Love Team Ziddhi girls.
दिल से सिद्धि दिल से है सिद्धि चल बदले हम ये जहां.
We low-key still promote our show everywhere.
In one word, the girls is rebellion.
Revolutionary.
Unstoppable.
My baby.
Much needed movement.
Now dare to do things which I thought I would never do.
Made me more resilient.
Started loving colors, fashion, makeup.
Through the show, I met these amazing girls in which I found friends for life.
Definition of what friendship is.
Iknadi sabbe bhari, famous for her samajhdari. That was the moment.
Sperm balloon scene.
अब अभिव्यक्ति के सारे खतरे उठाने हैं.
It has to be the last scene. It's such a powerful scene. I get goosebumps even talking about it. And
Hadoos emoji, some cute emoji, and like that.
Hockey stick, obviously. Cat, nails emoji.
theater emoji, heartbreak, like a broken heart. That crazy, the
Selfie girl. Lipstick. Flamenco dancing girl.
Crying, heart, money, because somehow Devika always needs money.
probably have her own theater group.
Have golgappas all day.
Fighting with her best friends.
To protect those she loves because she always has their back.
Devika would go to any length for her friends.
Calm down. Calm down.
Just be more open-minded and little less self-involved.
Take it easy, take a chill pill.
Trust your girls, trust your friends.
Stay who you are. Just like that. Copy paste.
I am very ziddhi about my self-respect.
Taking a stand.
My values.
I can't lower my expectations anymore. Like, if I want it, I want it.
Standing up for myself, for my dreams, for the things I love. Yes, I am Ziddhi about being me.
I can't believe it's been a year.
Feels like just yesterday we were all chilling and discussing scenes.
It's an amazing feeling.
Hello, my name is Zena and I played Tabby Fashion.
I am Dia Damini. I played Molika Bisht.
And I am extremely grateful to Pritish Nandi Communications and Rongita and Ishita.
Ishita and Robita. I'm just so grateful to them for believing in us, believing in the project.
The whole team of Pritish Nandi Communication was amazing.
They were so passionate. They were so involved through every step of the show. Rongita was so motivating. And I felt so safe and so looked after.
Honestly, it has been nothing less than a dream. And I just have the creators and the directors to thank for Pritish Nandi Communications, Shnali ma'am, Neha, Vasant.
Shinali Bosch, Neha ma'am, Vasant sir explained that to me. I was like, very strong character. बहुत ही अच्छा character है.
When I got to know that I got this role, I was ecstatic. I was
Shonali ma'am, best captain of the ship that we could have asked for. Neha and Vasant, who are also the writers of the show, you could just tell how passionate they were about this story that they've written and this world that they've created. And
They have been such strong pillars throughout the shoot, and it's because of their vision that Ziddhi is now live in front of you on Amazon.
they took that step to make something which holds impact in people's lives. So for that, the biggest salute to them.
Yeah, I remember when the show was releasing, all of us were so nervous because of course it was our first big show.
Okay, in complete honesty, I didn't have high hopes in the responses. Okay, I was like, but then the show came out and people really loved it. I was genuinely overwhelmed by it. I was like, I did not expect this to happen.
ये तो सब बोलते हैं कि सारे characters were amazing.
I think the thing that I'm most grateful for that this show has given me is my friendships with the other girls. I think it's just something that I couldn't have predicted.
They're genuinely gems, all of my co-actors for that matter.
I've had the best of friendships with all of them.
We're just so happy and I just have lots and lots of gratitude and love.
Excel लगा सपनों का size.
Equality with a star prize.
Labels करेंगे smash.
कहेंगे जो दिल में रहेंगे सब मिलके. You got mine, I got your back.
दिल से सिद्धि है सिद्धि
चल बदले हम ये जहां.
दिल से ziddhi, दिल से है ziddhi.
चल बदले हम
ये जहां. Woohoo!